want to get a parking spot. Let's go.
Jamaica, the sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them face. The lush green hills in this blessed place. Them show the whole world the land where we love. A gift from the heavens high up above. Island Max showcase in Jamaica. Island Max showcase in Jamaica.
Today we're in Montego Bay at the port of Montego Bay cruise ship terminal entrance, and we're gonna head through the city and we're going straight into Ironshore. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. This is a lovely weekend day and we're gonna take on the road this time. From Freeport we're going on to Howard Cook Boulevard. From Howard Cook Boulevard, we're going straight onto Top Road, that's the Queen's Drive. And then we'll make our way on the North Coast Highway straight into Ironshore. As you can see, the time is a bit bleak as we enter the main road here. So we might get some rains a little later. So let's see what we can do before the rains. So this road that I'm on is called Tony Hart Boulevard. Yeah man, one of my subscribers reminded me of the name. Thank you so much. This is the Tony Hart Boulevard. And we're going to pass where they have the Freeport police station. Yes. So this journey will show you just how far the cruise ship terminal is again from the city, the heart of the city. So guests or tourists would walk along. If they choose to walk, it's a good walk though. Be prepared for that. They could walk along the sidewalk here. Seems to be recently put in this concrete sidewalk. On the left seems to be recently constructed. Fresh concrete. Alright. A lot of businesses are out here. In Freeport, there's also a lot of residences as well, luxury gated residences. But this is the sign that says welcome to Montego Bay. I wonder why they put the sign there. So Freeport isn't Montego Bay, Freeport is just Freeport. Somebody give me some clarification in the comments please. Alright, Rainforest is on the right. Oh, they have a Happy Fries outlet on the same property. There's an organic Whole Foods on the left. BBQ chicken, the new hot chicken spot is here as well. Massey Gas Products Distributions is on the left. The blue and white building you're seeing on the left is also the police station, Freeport. If I wanted to go to Fairview Shopping Center, I would have turned right. But I'm gonna keep left. Oh, somebody said that police is on the road. Ah, see them there? Yes, police is on the road. Let's take down our windows, turn off the AC. Let's see what happens. Yeah man, massive operation they're conducting here. Persons can hardly pull off of the road. Oh, they're cleaning up the entire area. So they're here cutting the lawn or the grass in the median. So all of this stretch here on the left is where tourists would walk. They patch the road as well. Yeah man, it's a good look. And see they also painted this section, fresh paint. We call this paint again Chevron. The yellow paint. Freshly painted curb walls or curbs, the curbside here. Lovely. Remember, we have to try and beautify the place, especially after the disaster that we went through. So this is a good look. Way over on the left, they've cleared some trees over there. That's the UDC field is over on the left. I need to switch lanes ASAP. Let's see. Alright, you can see sections of the hillside over there. All of those areas, you know, man, we're just bushing and look at it now. Everywhere clear up. Alright, we get the green light. Let's go. Need to switch lanes. Yeah, man, freshly painted. Look at that. Yeah, man, you know, take nothing for just beautify the place, you know. So they're cutting the grass here as well, going back in the direction where I'm coming from. This is zinked up place right here on the left. Over there, they're constructing a big marina palms. That's the name of it. Like a, what do they call it now? A restaurant, seafood place. Some other stores or some other restaurants or businesses will be over there. The fire station is on the right. Pier 1 is way over out of view on the left. Got the green light, let's go. Yeah, man, about the beautification is just now for some of the buildings to be beautified. See if we can switch lanes. Let's drive through a section of Harbour Street. One of my subscribers was telling me that I said that the last boat, banana boat, left Bay West. That's Bay West right here, right? So he said that the last boat left Bay West in about 1960s. So yeah, so the area that we're driving on and way over to the left is all dump up area. Is that so? Yeah, man, Moby have a lot of history. Go through. Give thanks. So Craft Market are those little shops on the right. Harbour City is where you see that billboard there, our sign lighting up. That's Harbour City on the left. So I heard that they're test driving the new RAV4 over by Ironshore. So I hope I'll get to pass and see what's going on over there. Alright, we get the green light. Let's go. So we're coming off Market Street now and onto Harbour Street. That's why they call this street Harbour Street, because there was a harbour right here on the left. Okay. And there was a market on Market Street. That's why they call it Market Street. I need to know the history of this road though coming up on our right. Montego Bay Road. Anybody knows that history? Why they call it Montego Bay Road? Jamaicans would say Montego Bay Road. Need to know the history of that. Alright? So remember we said that we're going up Queens Drive. So we're not going on the hip strip today. The hip strip is straight ahead. Straight ahead there. Harmony Beach Park is on the left. Yeah. Not to them, my boss. Nothing to them, my boss. So we're gonna make a right turn onto the Queen's Drive. Let me get the filter light. This is the Queen's Drive. Can carry to Sangsa International Airport as well. We've done multiple videos at the airport. By the way, if this is your first time here on the channel, you know, do tap that subscribe button. Subscribe to Island Max. Also, we have the super chat feature available. You can send your super gifts as well. Very much appreciate it. That will help us to fuel up, take on the road, show you more beautiful locations like these in Jamaica. Thank you again. We appreciate it. Tap the thumbs up button to like the video as well. Leave a comment. Let me know that you like the content. You're getting to know Montego Bay. You're getting to see areas that you missed. Probably you're born and grow in certain areas. And of course, I'm here to show you what's going on in Jamaica. Because at Jamaica, you know, nostalgia is on the right. 14 Queen's Drive. As you drive, you'll see the buildings, the renovations going on the left. It's like there's a spark. Everybody is now renovating and opening up business. Yeah, man. Royal Selection Gift Shop is on the right. On the left, sorry. El Greco is on the left. Such a lovely day. Jah give us the strength of a lion. Make we mentally tough like a iron. Big up Yaxter. Alright. Hotel Grandeview is on the right. The Big Apple Hotel is on the left. Leaders Inn is on the right. 46 Leaders Avenue. This lovely restaurant here called Solace is right in front of us there. Guests normally come and stand on this concrete platform right here and look over at the airport. You can see a little section of it there. When next are you coming to Jamaica? Let me know. Also let me know who's watching the video, where you're watching from. Ah, they paved the right. Yeah, man, lovely. See another section of the airport way over on the left. So we're descending Queen's Drive. See some more construction going on the right here. Big things coming to Montego Bay. Federal Avenue is on the right. So now you see how far the cruise ship port is from where the Sangsa International Airport is. The airport is right in front of us on our left coming up. So this is the Godfrey Dwyer Boulevard. If I turn on the left, all those vehicles on the left going to the airport. And you can follow the signs. Here is the welcome to Montego Bay sign where persons go and take their pictures. Lovely. Alright, we need to go in the left lane. But somebody's over on my left. Wait. Let's go. Can see a Delta airplane. You see all these Toyota tour buses waiting to pick up passengers who are arriving at the airport. See a plane there coming into view, taking off, see it in the sky there. Way over there. So this is the North Coast Highway. Flanker is on the right. It's so cool. We can turn on the AC. Turn off the AC. See a section of the runway there on the left. It's drizzling now. The rain is drizzling. Don't think it will fall hard. Hear the airplane. White House. What's happening? The stoplight not working. The stoplight just shipped out a while ago. I'm telling you, man, there's never a dull moment. The light just went like current gone or something. Wonder if I'm going the right way. So this, you could say, this is the Ironshore, what we call it now, industrial estate. We just Hinsimanich private school behind us. There's a home and things here. Recently open, now open. Okay. Let's see if we can make it over to Toyota Jamaica. Them say them have the new RAV4, you know. I wonder if Toyota Jamaica would like to lend me a RAV4 for about 3 months. Let me take on the road with it. I want to go Portland, you know. So you see exactly where we are now. That's the highway. And this is the side road. Highway on the left. Stewart's Motor where they sell Suzuki, etc. is on the right. Toyota Jamaica there in the distance. Automotive art is out here too. Okay. So this is Toyota Jamaica. Watch here. whole heap of people about. Yeah, my boss, come for test drive the vehicle, you know.
Yeah?
So we can park.
Around that side. I remember saying that window down here.
Alright, give thanks. I through this now work.
Yeah?
This now work. Yeah, give thanks.
What tail it?
To my left. Alright. I want to get a parking spot. Let's go.
A word for it. You just try to be.
Mellow FM is live out here too. Let's get a parking spot. I wonder if they want us, if they can give us a little talk on the radio. Lovely. Yeah, so that's our Toyota Jamaica. We looked at the new RAV4. Yeah, so that was Toyota Jamaica. Looked at the brand new RAV4 and the other models of Toyota that they have over there. It's beautiful, man. So this is Ironshore, Montego Bay. Guys, do remember to tap that subscribe button and like the video as we keep on showing you more beautiful locations. We attend these interesting events as well, only here on Island Max. Until then, my people, see you in the next video. One love.